Everyone is talking about the chips that power AI, but almost no one is talking about the software that makes those chips possible. If NVIDIA is the engine, the company we're discussing today is the blueprint. Welcome back. Today we're adding Synopsys, SNPS, to our searchable research library. Synopsys is the global leader in electronic design automation, or EDA. In simple terms, you physically cannot build a modern AI processor, a smartphone, or a self-driving car system without their software. But as much as I love this business, we have a valuation problem. Synopsys has recently surged in price, and today we're going to look at the economic reality of this stock to see why patience and not FOMO is the right move here. To understand Synopsys, you have to understand the switching cost. Synopsys exists in a rational duopoly with Cadence Design Systems. Their software is so deeply integrated into the semiconductor design process that switching to a competitor isn't just difficult, it's a multi-year, multi-million-dollar risk that most companies simply won't take. Synopsys provides the tools for design, verification, and intellectual property. As chips become more complex, think 2 nanometer and 3 nanometer processes, the demand for Synopsys software doesn't just grow, it becomes a necessity. They aren't just a vendor, they're a mission-critical partner for every major chip maker on the planet. What makes the economic reality of Synopsys so attractive is the stability of its cash flow. Over 80% of their revenue is recurring, primarily driven by multi-year subscriptions. This gives management incredible visibility into future earnings. They also have an aggressive acquisition strategy, recently closing a massive deal for Ansys. This move expands their reach from just designing the chip to simulating how that chip performs inside a larger system, like an entire electric vehicle. It's a silicon to system strategy that makes their moat even wider. Now here is where we have to be disciplined. Even a fantastic company can be a bad investment if you pay the wrong price. Over the last few months, SNPS has surged. If we look at the GAAP PE ratio, it's currently sitting near 60 times. Even when we look at the adjusted earnings, stripping out the accounting noise from the Ansys merger, the stock is still trading at a significant premium to its historical averages. In our research, we look for quality at a reasonable price. Right now, the quality is 10 out of 10, but the price is pushed to the limit. Historically, Synopsys gives you better entry points if you're patient. We've seen the stock pull back 15 to 20% multiple times in its history during broad tech rotations. Synopsys is a legendary compounder. It benefits from the rising complexity of AI, the expansion of the automotive tech sector, and a recurring revenue model that is the envy of the industry. However, the economic reality right now is saying that you're paying a perfection premium. I'm keeping SNPS at the very top of my watch list. I believe it is a core, long-term holding for any serious portfolio, but I'm waiting for a tactical pullback to its long-term moving averages before jumping in. The goal isn't just to own great companies. Is to own them at prices that allow for massive compounding. What's your buy price for a giant like Synopsys? Are you comfortable paying a premium for this level of quality? Or are you going to sit on the sidelines with me? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to keep receiving updates when I do research like this in the future. I'll see you in the next one.